Hi there, students. Implement. Okay, implement. This can be both a noun and a verb, but the meaning of the noun and the verb is slightly different. An implement is a tool, a piece of equipment to do a job. So, I've got the gardening implements in the shed. There are writing implements on my desk, like an instrument. His drawing implements. Maybe a carpenter or a mechanic uses an implement. So it's a tool to do a job. But as a verb, to implement means to put something into practical effect. To put in force, to put in practice a decision, a plan, an agreement. To put it into effect. To carry out a procedure. To perform some action to make something happen. Yeah? Is to make a plan real, a procedure to make something happen. So it is the responsibility of management to implement changes, to implement the directives of the board of directors of a company. The police, for example, they don't make the law. They implement it. They put it into effect. Yeah, they put it into force. They put it into action. So to implement is to take a plan and make it real. To do the things that are necessary to make that plan real. Okay, what about origin? This apparently comes from Latin, I think, implare, which means to fill up. So I guess if you have a plan, there is a space that needs filling up. Yeah, and you implement your plan. Okay, the next question, what about formality? I think both the noun and the verb, they sound slightly formal, but I think you could use them in a casual conversation. In a casual conversation, I think I might use the word a tool, or to implement a plan, to put it into practice, to put something into practice. But you could use them informally. Both words sound great in a formal context. So, an implement, a tool to do something, and to implement, to put a plan into effect, to put a decision into effect, to make it real. Yeah, to take it from the stage of planning to the stage of reality. That is to implement. Notice as well, to implement as a verb is a regular verb. Implement, implemented, implemented. He has implemented the plan. So, neutral, maybe slightly formal. To implement's a regular verb. As a noun, it means a tool to do a job. And as a verb, it means to put a plan into practice. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Implement.